To add an exponential moving average line on MetaTrader 5, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart where you want to apply the EMA. The exponential moving average is a technical indicator that helps traders identify trends and potential buy or sell signals by giving more weight to recent price data. First, click on the Insert menu at the top of the MetaTrader 5 window. Then select Indicators from the drop-down list. This will open the Indicators window, where you can browse through the available indicators. In the Indicators window, click on Trend and then select Moving Average. In the Moving Average Properties window, you will see several parameters that you can adjust to customize the EMA. The period parameter determines the number of bars used to calculate the EMA. A shorter period will make the EMA more sensitive to price movements, while a longer period will make it less sensitive. The method parameter allows you to choose between different types of moving averages, including simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. To add an EMA line, select exponential as the method. The Apply to parameter allows you to choose the price data that the EMA will be based on, such as close, open, high, or low. Once you have set the parameters, click the OK button to add the EMA line to your chart. The EMA line will be displayed on the chart, and you can use it to identify trends and potential trading opportunities. You can also adjust the color and style of the EMA line by right-clicking on it and selecting Properties. Best practices for using EMA lines on MetaTrader 5 include using multiple EMAs with different periods to identify trends and potential buy or sell signals. For example, you can use a short-term EMA, such as a 50-period EMA, and a long-term EMA, such as a 200-period EMA, to identify crossovers and potential trading opportunities. By following these steps and using EMAs effectively, you can improve your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. Remember to always use EMAs in combination with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to get a complete view of the market.